Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the coolest technique with you guys. So, a lot of you know already that I recently moved and, well, not recently, moved a while ago and just recently started unpacking my craft room. And I found a boatload of amazing goodies, including these scissors. These scissors are thinning scissors. They're scissors that barbers use, beauticians, hairdressers in general, to thin out hair. This is not my brilliant idea, guys. I've had these scissors forever because I saw this online a freaking long time ago. All right, a long time ago, and I found them, and I'm like, oh my gosh, stamps! And it so happens that I have stamps in my Revoir collection and my Ciao Italia collection. And look what I'm going to show you what they do. All right. So you're going to print out your stamps. I printed these at 4x6. Okay. 4x6. And you can print them out at whatever size you want. For the stationery box, I printed them at 8x8. But I wanted some smaller ones, right? Like stamps. So I cut them out. And you want to leave a little bit of a white border. And you're going to take these scissors and you are going to cut. And you are going to make a perforated stamp edge. Don't worry about all that. We're going to clean that up. You can achieve this. Please, you don't have to run out and go buy these scissors. You can achieve this multiple ways. I've learned multiple ways throughout the years, including with your sewing machine. You can sew without any thread and you can achieve the same thing. All right, so look at this, guys. Cut. Sometimes it cuts perfectly. Other times you get a mess. It's probably user error. All right, I don't know how to cut hair. Okay, and you get the most perfect stamp ever. All right, so yet another brilliant idea. Brilliant. So whoever thought about this, and I watched their video, thank you. Okay. So you're going to grab some scissors to clean that all up. And how is it that I managed to lose everything? So when they get all, you get longer pieces, just grab your scissors and trim it ever so slightly. Careful, you don't want to ruin the whole point of the scissors. And look at what you get. So my friends, stop trying to cut stamps out on your scan and cut because for me, it's a nightmare. It never gets it right. Okay? And if you have these scissors, break them out. If you've done this before, let me know. And tell me how much you love it because I can tell you, we're going to be stamping everything. Another thing I found, my pinking shears. I've been working on my my March journal jam. Look at how fun this is, guys. My March journal jam. And I've been using these pinking shears on practically everything. I did it on where is it? Oh, I dropped it. Oh no, here it is. I did the envelope with this. I've been just doing all sorts of things. This moving and unpacking has been an amazing experience, finding a treasure trove of things. All right, it's like a time capsule because these, I never used them. They were still in the freaking package. I don't know what my problem is. I'm sure you all can relate. I'm going to do one more because I just love this. One more. I'm just in love with this. I think this is the smartest thing ever. And I had 2 pairs of these. Well, I actually still have them. I have to send one to Jane. I promised Jane one of these. All right, so there's that. So quick and easy. If you have a sewing machine and you prefer to do it that way, see, sometimes it does that. Sometimes it gives me perfect, and then sometimes it does that. But when it does that, just give it a haircut, guys. Give it a haircut. Bum. What a dork. See? I don't know what I do that makes that happen. Okay. And it's just so fabulous. The simplest little things, man, just make me so giddy. So giddy. I'll demo with the sewing machine if you want to see that. I'll do that on another day. All right. And just look at that. Some of you may love this little messy look here. I personally don't love that, but if you do, hey, knock yourself out, leave it like that. You can skip this step of giving it a haircut. And that's it. So I'm going to keep on cutting my little stamps away here to use them on a new project. And I'm going to just keep on crafting away. I hope you find this helpful. Once again, I sound like a broken record. I need to pre-record something. If you love what you see on this channel, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. I completely appreciate it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.